Yes, another water hunt sports hunting game slides, which are all yeah, I keep forgetting all of them, which I just decided to put all animals and crustaceans and birds that I forgot to add them again in water hunt sports hunting game. Here we go. Peccary stands for javelina, plains zebra, bald eagle, golden eagle, mountain zebra, harpy eagle, black howler monkey, red howler monkey, greyhorn, the great gray owl, the gray horned owl, silver fox, gray fox, crow, raven, mourning dove, the puffin, emperor penguin, skua, giant petrels, sand grouse, snow mountain quail, cinnamon teals, Argentine black and white tegu, brown pelican, chameleon. Yeah, only I just saw this in the background in the Madagascar. Yeah, in the Madagascar that you can see a background of a chameleon. So I decided to put a chameleon be in the water hunt sports hunting game series. So I decided to put an image of a chameleon. White pelican, Jackson chameleon, lineman tamarin, squirrel monkey, golden langu, spider monkey, common marmosets, bachelor eagle, Assam macaques, martial eagle, spotted eagle owl, Eurasian eagle owl, barn owl, the northern kestrel, peregrine falcon, black hawk, red-tailed hawk, fair genus hawk, goshawk, freshwater fiddler crab, Cuban land crab, hermit crab, blue crab, Dungeness crab, ghost bat, vampire bat, the little brown bat, striped hyena, and the brown hyena. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I think I'm done for the water hunt sports hunting game. Yeah, actually I'm done with this. Okay, bye.